Welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Ramachandra. In this video, I am going to discussing about one more important method and a very regularly using method, that is concat of java.lang.string class. So, what is a concatenation? Appending a new value to first value is comes under concatenation. For example, there is one string S equal to Ram. I have one more string like S1 equal to Chandra. Now I want to add these two strings. Now how can I add these two strings? String S3 equal to S dot concat of S1. String S3 equal to S dot concat of S1. Then what happen? Whatever the value which we have in the S1, that value will be appended or concatenated or added to S. After that, entire value will be placed into here S3. Now observe here, string SC equal to Ram. Now let me take one more variable like S1 equal to Chandra. Okay. Now what I am doing here, one more string S2 equal to S dot concat of S2. Now concat of S1. Now system.out.println S2 value, here I am writing like S2. So before that, what I am doing, let me print S1 and S. Here is what here S, and this is what here S1. Now if I am executing this program, now observe here, first S value is Ram, S1 is value is what here Chandra. These values will be appended to or concatenated to what here S2. Will concatenated to S2. So concat method will add or will append this S1 value to S value. Now observe here, string S3, here I am writing like Java. String S3 equal to Java. Now string S4 equal to, if I am writing like S3 plus 500, S3 plus 5000, S3 plus 5000. Later what I am doing, very simple. Here I am writing like S4 value. In this particular scenario also, what happened here, 5000 will concatenated to S3. Nothing but 5000, it's a numeric value, integer value will concatenated to S3 without using any concat method. Not only integer values guys, we can add anything. For example, let me take direct SOP statement for more clarity. System.out.println, what I am writing here, Java. After that what I am writing here, true. Java is one string. I am using what here, literal like true. Boolean, string plus boolean, again I am getting output like what here, string only. So what is the meaning here is very important concept. Very important concept here is, plus operator behave like a with the help of plus operator we can get two operations. One is addition operations, another one is concatenation operation. When plus operator behave like a addition operator, if you are using plus operator between primitive data types except boolean, nothing but byte by byte, short plus int, boolean double plus char plus float plus double, whatever the combination you take, you can take, not a problem. That is behave like a addition. But if you are using plus operator between boolean to any other type, it will giving what here, bad operand type, one error will coming. Now when plus operator is going to behave like a concatenation, means if you are using plus operator between anything to Anything means what here? You can take, let me write primitive data type plus string, later string plus string, later string plus primitive data type. Even though if you are writing like a string plus boolean, it is allowed. So if you are using plus operator between string to any other thing or another thing to string, in this particular time we will get what here? Concatenation operation. But especially we have a separate method in the string class to concatenate the what here? Two strings. So here concat method will appended argument object to current object, argument object to current object. Okay, here current object means what? Ram, and argument object is what? S1. This Chandra will be appended to Ram itself. This is one of the method of a string class. Now one more method let me take. What is the one more method here? Replace. What type of it is? Non-static. So definitely we need to call by using what? Reference variable. Now system.out.println, later I am taking like string ss equal to internationalization, it is ended with what here? Semicolon. Internationalization. So here how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 i's we have, totally 20 characters. In the 20 characters, how many i's are there? 4 i's. 4 I characters. Now let me take, first one is what here? Capital I. So 3 small I and 1 capital I. Now let me take SS1. Here what I am doing? SS dot replace old value to old character to new character. Now old character is what here? I. Character we need to represent within the single quote. Small I into capital I. Small I into capital I. Otherwise, yeah, okay. Small I into capital I. Then this is character. Yeah. Now observe here. Let me print system.out.println. Okay. SS. Here I am writing like SS. Later Control C, Control V. This is what here? SS1. This is SS1. This is SS1. This is SS1. Yeah. Now let me execute this program. If you execute this program, clearly observe here. Replace small I with capital I. Replace small I with capital I. In how many places? I told you already. Small 3 i's are there. 1, 2, 3. The small 3 i's will be replaced with what here? Capital 3 i's. And whatever this capital I, already this is in the capital letter. So again it will not converted into what here? Capital I itself. Understand or not? Now string ss2 equal to now see here, replace all, or let me first take replace first ss2 ss dot, let me comment this one, ss dot replace first. Here I am taking on, here on, 2 ons are there. Now here I am taking like on. Now replace it with capital On. Small on I am trying to replace it with capital On. Later what I am doing? Later I am printing both SS and SS2. If you observe the output, if you observe the output, you can understand replace first. In this string, on is existed 2 times. On is existed 2 times, but how many times it is going to replace with the small on to capital On? Exactly 1 time. Last on is not converted into capital On. So replace first, whatever the string which is available in the first, that only converted into second. Now let me comment this code again. Let me comment it. Now let me write string ss3 equal to ss dot replace, ss dot replace all. Now small on, here I am converted into what here? Capital On. Small on converted into capital On. Later what I am doing? I am printing ss, I am printing ss3, I am printing ss, I am printing ss3, I am printing. If you observe previous output, observe Control C, I am pasted here itself. Now replace first means only first occurrence of on will be converted into capital On, but what about the second occurrence? Not happen. Only in the first occurrence. Small on converted into capital On. Now replace all. What it will happen? Observe here. Let me execute the program. If you are executing this program, you can clearly understand. Copy this one and let me paste here. Good. Now concentrate on first on and concentrate on what? Second on. What happened here? Here small on converted into what here? Capital On, and the second time small on is capital into small on into capital On. So wherever on is existed in our string, in all the places that small on will be converted into capital On. So especially in this video we did talk about 4 methods. One is concat method, concat of string, okay. Second one is replace with what here? Single character, char, and next one is replace first. This is what here? String comma string. Let me write here char comma char, here string comma string, capital S, okay. Next one, replace first and replace all, string comma string. So let me give a quick review. Concat is useful for append argument string to current string. Replace wherever if you want to replace one single character with other single character, in that particular time we can go for replace. If same character available multiple times, all the times it will be happen. And replace first, string comma string. So replace first means if the same word existed, for example previously we seen one program, small on is existed multiple times, but how many times it will converted into capital On? Only 1 time. If in all the scenarios, in all the occurrence, if you want to convert it into converting from small on to capital On, then we can go for what here? Replace all, not small on to capital On. You can take anything, not a problem. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video. For more videos, please subscribe Naresh IT channel. Thank you.